Confederate Names Task Force has been put together with various people from throughout the county, and it's a group of people of 30 individuals, roughly 30 individuals who represent different entities in the county, who has a say in. One might feel like it's important to keep the names of the Confederate generals. The others might feel like, well, it's insulting to name, to have to ride down a road that represents or that is named after someone who was all for slavery, who fought against freedom of the slaves. We started meeting back in August, and we meet every second and third Monday of the month. One of the ground rules, when we first establish our meeting, we're trying to establish ourselves as representing one Fairfax, equity and inclusion for all, right? And so one of the main points that I really want to stress is we believe we respect your opinion. Your opinion matters. We respect you, and you must respect other people who have opinions different than yours. The residents should participate in this process because we want to hear your voice. We want to hear the Board of Supervisors. When I say we, the Board of Supervisors, those in charge of Fairfax County, want to hear your opinion to help determine the final decision. So if you want to learn more about what's going on with the Confederate Names Task Force, you can go to fairfaxcounty.gov, and we have a Confederate Names Task Force website. All information, all kinds of information that would help you determine what your thoughts or what your feelings or what you want to express to the Board of Supervisors.